back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 MNVN, and this one is the triple black. So my son got this when it was restock. So every time we did the restock, the value probably goes down a little bit. And this is size 8.5. So I'm not sure if the FedEx driver somehow they opened this or it didn't tape correctly. Yes, you can see there's another clear tape that got taped over this box. But don't quote me wrong. I heard some FedEx driver are stealing some of the shoes or package. So I don't know. As you see the bottom, it is fine. So you can see this side. They tape it over. And somehow this side, maybe Adidas, they didn't tape it right or something, but it's just kind of weird, so. Anyway, I'm gonna cut it open and hopefully the shoe's in there. So I guess the Adidas, they didn't tape it right because I don't feel any of the glue on this side, so. Not sure if somebody tried to open it. You can see there's an indentation right there. And it's kind of smashed in a little bit. There's a line. So you got the 700 on the top hit, and then Boost right here. Got the 700 MNVN made by Adidas. And there's your Adidas logo right there. Make sure it's lined up in the midsection right here by this cutout. Nothing on this side, it is creased. And on the bottom, you just got the Adidas right here. Go ahead and check out the size label right here. Oh, my bad, this is size 8. And this pair is made in China. There's your barcode and UPC code right there. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Got the 700 right here. And it is triple black. Except the Boost still in white color. And there's your Adidas logo right there. This is a lace system right here. Oh, wow. The shoe string is pretty tight in there, so let me see. Wow, it kind of messed up on the insole right there. Let me turn on the light. Yeah, you see the insole right there? It is crease or wrinkle. And it says Yeezy and Adidas. There's your size label right here. Oh wow. So it is 3M reflective right here. And then right here. On the front of the toe box. And then right here. Then right here. And then right here as well. Around the heel cup. Yeah, so somehow this pair, it doesn't come with the extra lace. Yeah, this one I cannot slide the rubber out. It probably melt the laces together, so. Well, yeah, let me take out the insole and then show you guys real quick. So this is the crease that caused by this shoe tree. So, 1, 2, 3, cut out. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.